Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about that Bank of America company's headquarters center. The Bank of America Corporation is an American multinational investment banking and the financial services company. The company headquartered in the New York cities and Charlotte. That the hub centers in New York, London, Hong Kong, Toronto, and the Dallas. The company founded in San Francisco's Bank of America was founded through National Bank's acquisition of Bank America in 1998. It is the second largest banking institution in the United States after the JP Morgan Chase and the ninth largest financial services company in the world. As a part of the Big Four, it services approximately 10.73% of the American bank deposit in the direct competitions with the Citigroups, Wells Fargo, and the JP Morgan Chase. Its primary financial services revolve around the commercial banking, wealth management, and your investment banking. Our one branch of its history of your sketches back to back of the Italy, and the founded by it's Amadeo Petrogrini in the 1904, which providing that the Italian immigrants who face the services discrimination. There the various types of the banking options are here, like kind of the headquarter in the San Francisco, California, your American Banca, the American Italia. That's called to be a Bank of America and Italy in the 1922. The company of the Bank America's centers of the Bank of America's. It is was acquired by the Charlotte base and the National Bank of the US $62 billion, and the following that was the largest bank acquisition in the history. The Bank of America Company Corporation that the based in National Bank of the Council, and it was the founded corporations, and through kind of your series of mergers and acquisition, it pulled upon it the commercial banking businesses by the establishing Merrill Lynch for the wealth management and the Bank of your America, Merrill Lynch in the investment banking in 2008 and the 2009 respectively. Both kind of the banks of the wealth management and of the Americas. It is the largest market shares in their representative offices. The investment bank is considered within the Bloomberg and as the third largest investment bank in the world. In the commercial banking, Bank of America operators, but it does not necessarily maintaining retail branches in all the 50 states for the United States. And now that the District of Columbia and more than 40 other countries, it is commercial banking footprinting and encapsulated 46 million consumer and small businesses relationship at 4,600 banking centers and 15,900 automated teller machines. So guys, if you like this video, then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching guys.